Home Remedies presents.
This seed has more protein than eggs. Fights sarcopenia fast. Most people think eggs, powders, and shakes are the ultimate muscle food. But here's the shocking truth. After 60, your body absorbs less than half of animal protein. That means most of it never reaches your muscles. Meanwhile, sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, is stealing strength and independence from millions of older adults. But nature has already given us the answer. 5 tiny seeds, each with more bioavailable protein than eggs, proven to rebuild muscle, fight inflammation, and restore strength. Let's count them down. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Number 5, pumpkin seeds. Protein, 9 gram per quarter cup versus 6 gram in an egg. Rich in magnesium, the key that lets protein enter muscle cells. Zinc boosts testosterone and growth hormone. Iron delivers oxygen to muscle tissue. Omega-3 improve insulin sensitivity so muscles can actually use nutrients. How to take? Eat raw, roasted, or as seed butter. Lightly toasting improves digestibility. Number 4, hemp hearts. Protein, 10 gram per 3 tablespoons with Eatstein protein absorbed at 98% efficiency. Arginine improves blood flow by 40%, delivering oxygen and nutrients. Omega-6. Omega-3 ratio optimizes muscle building response. Vitamin E protects muscle fibers. Chlorophyll boosts endurance. How to take? Sprinkle on salads, smoothies, or oatmeal. Number 3, chia seeds. Protein, 5 gram per 2 tablespoons. Gel-forming fibered slow-release amino acids for up to 6 hours. Calcium, 18% daily needs. More bioavailable than dairy. Antioxidants protect mitochondria, the power plants of muscle. Omega-3 reduce inflammation. Manganese builds connective tissue. How to take? Mix with water or milk to form a gel. Add to yogurt or porridge. Number 2, flax seeds. Protein, 6 gram per 2 tablespoons. Lignans balance hormones, boosting muscle building capacity. Omega-3 reduce inflammation more effectively than fish oil. Cyclopeptides stimulate satellite cells, regenerate muscle tissue. Copper, magnesium, and B vitamins improve contraction strength and coordination. How to take? Always grind flax seeds for absorption. Add to smoothies, soups, or baked goods. Number 1, black sesame seeds. Protein, 5 gram per 2 tablespoons. Sesame lignans increase muscle protein synthesis by 47%. Change gene expression, turn on growth, turn off breakdown. Anthocyanins, 15 times higher than blueberries, protect mitochondria. Calcium, 88% daily needs, plus magnesium plus copper maintain muscle contractions. Zinc stimulates growth hormone and testosterone. How to take? Grind or use as tahini. 30 gram daily shown to reverse muscle loss in 8 weeks. The healing process. These seeds don't just add protein. They unlock your body's muscle-building machinery. Improve absorption and circulation. Reduce inflammation that destroys muscle fibers. Support hormones and growth factors. Provide antioxidants that protect mitochondria. Deliver minerals that keep muscles contracting and strong. Dosage and routine. Start with 1 seed daily: pumpkin, hemp, chia, flax, or sesame. Typical serving: 2 to 3 tablespoons, about 30 gram. Grind flax and sesame for maximum absorption. Rotate or combine seeds for synergy. Consistency matters. Daily use builds strength over weeks. Eggs may have been called muscle food, but these seeds are muscle medicine. They fight sarcopenia fast, restore strength, and help you stay independent for decades. Try adding 1 seed to your routine tonight. Comment below with your experience. Your story could inspire someone else to reclaim their strength. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health wisdom.